Yo, it's your boy Prof, and you're listening to RadioDR. Easy.
Ngathi nogogo uyampheleze ukhetha ibantu zomvikela bantu abadala bamvikele mina nezami ngesebenze ngilezi mhlophe zizikhalele makusho umama ngizobekezela makusho umama ngizobekezela ngathi nogogo uyamphelezela ngathi nogogo uyamphelezela ukhetha ibantu zomvikela bantu abadala bamvikele mina nezami ngesebenze ngilezi mhlophe zizikhalele. Umama wathi mangibekezela inyanya zakithi zomfakazela wathi bheka umfana menyameze waqala wangithakazela washisa impepho lemsamo waqala wabiza bomepho wathi thatha impepho lemsamo leyo usuke iphatha ngendlela mangena intama ngibheki ngenyathela mangena intama ngibheki ngenyathela bonke labafana babambisa ikhandlela bonke labafana babambisa ikhandlela mangena intama ngibheki ngenyathela bonke labafana babambisa ikhandlela bonke labafana babambisa ikhandlela makusho umama ngizobekezela makusho umama ngizobekezela ngathi nogogo uyamphelezela ngathi nogogo uyamphelezela ukhetha ibantu zomvikela bantu abadala bamvikele mina nezami ngesebenze ngilezi mhlophe zizikhalele makusho umama ngizobekezela makusho umama ngizobekezela ngathi nogogo uyamphelezela ngathi nogogo uyamphelezela ukhetha ibantu zomvikela bantu abadala bamvikele mina nezami ngesebenze ngilezi mhlophe zizikhalele.
Umhlaba uyahlaba umama wathi qina la noma kunzima phambili uzofika la sulinye mbezo ungakhali mntanami konke kuzodlula nelife elimnyama bekezela ufaka umoya sami cela ukhohlwe sitha konke nabangani uNkulunkulu uyazi ukudaleleni namadlozi akithi ngiyasabhekile udlule emaweni enkingeni wasini udutshulwa ngebhambe emajele waphuma ngenxa kagogo wakho bukusaphila abantu abadala basoze bakushiya pressa phanda phusha mfana wami ungadinga umphoxe withemba lami ijabuli yeza lisodlula lolisizi bese kamapho uyitholela usizi
makusho umama ngizobekezela ngathi nogogo uyamphelezela ngathi nogogo uyamphelezela ukhetha ibantu zomvikela bantu abadala bamvikele mina nezami ngesebenze ngilezi mhlophe zizikhalele makusho umama ngizobekezela makusho umama ngizobekezela ngathi nogogo uyamphelezela ngathi nogogo uyamphelezela ukhetha ibantu zomvikela bantu abadala bamvikele mina nezami ngesebenze ngilezi mhlophe zizikhalele.
We're now tuned into recording live again on RadioDR.co.za. Reporting live again, it's your boy J. City to city, titty to titty. I'm chilling here with my special guest this week, the legend himself, Eclipse Beats Ngakini. We just finished shooting the video for Ngimpatla Suyibegezela with Nkathazi. We're dropping that bitch on Friday, this Friday. So reporting live again is your boy J. I'm back in Yuzu, proudly sponsored by all over. Shout out to Silo, RadioDR, deeply rooted. Faith, so talk to the dog.
Yo, Pethu, Machita, Pethu, Eclipse Beats, by the way, lo, bafethu, I'm located here, Mlazi, Kwakheyi, ngasezangomeni, bafethu. So yeah, Pethu, my boy J here invited me, Pethu, ukuthi sikhulume ngento encane about my upcoming single and the video and my upcoming mixtape, Diamonds in the Dirt. I thought y'all have seen that on Facebook. Yeah, bafethu ngiphethe ineka lami la umJ bafethu.
Shout out to Woko Beshete. Shout out to Wokaba X. Shout out to sponsored by Okok. We appreciate it. Boss, Faith, let's talk about it. So, when did you start producing Tokame? Like, you know, how do people know Eclipse Tokame is tape?
Ngaqala kudala bethu producer bethu actually bethu aqala ngokucula kanjalo yabo rapper bethu namajita bethu sasiba u3 kanjalo yabo sasibiza ngeprime time. Actually prime time is still on, dog, yabo. So amajita u3 now unku Bruce and Roman, yabo.
Shout out to Roman, there's this track we did. Oh shit!
Yo,
Basazonga Tokame, Basazonga Tokame. Yeah,
actually, dog, bethu ngaqala kudala bethu umproducer bethu ngakobi na PC, dog, uyacabanga. Producer komunye u-out wami ohlala la phesheya bethu yabo. Ngiyakuyena and every time angibuye esigele bethu ngiyakuyena anginikeza i-computer athi dog spana la wenze ini ufuna ukuyenza yabo. So that's when I learned ukuthi no, but I need to get myself equipment. So I bought myself equipment, ngaqala ngayifundisa bethu ngayifundisa ukwenza ama-beats ngacula. So from there bethu sahlanganisela i-mic namajita yabo. And then we built a studio. From there saqala sayirekhoda thina ngaqala ngaba-producer amajita. And kuleso sikhathi umuntu bengakakwazi ukuproducer like a good sound yabo, kube sound dope nama sound akhona njengamanje yabo, equality ye sound yabo, ne mastering ne mixing yabo. So we learn all that, then safika la sikhona manje namajita yabo.
With the dopest motherfucking beats in this motherfucker, man. Talk to us about this fucking shit, dog. Lengoma lebesibekezela, dog. Iqhamuke kanjani, dog? Cause motherfuckers showcase have seen the promo clip that we've been posting and shit, dog.
Actually,
and motherfuckers are like, fuck.
It's actually a track bethu ngayiqala ekseni yabo, like I woke up nje ngine beat emqondweni wami yabo, and so I shy beats yabo. And mangiqeda then kwafika le chorus le ngingokuqeda ibeats yabo. Then kwafika le chorus le about me nama ancestors yabo, cause umuntu unabantu abadala and all that yabo. And so when I came with the idea ngaqala ngayileya phansi, and then kwaphuma leya chorus leyana yabo, which is dope bethu. Since nalomjita engispane naye la wayizwa wathi no bethu he can relate to his storyline set-track bethu yabo. And then we sat down sakhuluma, ngamnikeza i-beat wahamba wayobhala, and then when he came back walay verse bethu fire bethu, dog yabo.
Shout out to Nkathazo, dog.
Nkathazo bethu, shout out to Nkathazo, shout out to Umano at the end of the track.
Shout out to Umano, man. Senkhohle. Shout out to Umano, face Umano ngimazela Umano noNkathazo that ngibazi from Slow L, dog. From working with Slow L, so
you told me about Umano Slow L, like babespana nakudala.
And then Nkathazo, after working with him, he introduced me to you.
Yes.
And first Savile sa link up a dog, saspana pan, fuck.
And the best masterpiece. Yo, the video is dope, Feds. Shout out to KZN Republic, dog. The video is dope, dog. On Friday we dropping the video. Guys, this is masterpiece.
Directed by J. Young Spike Lee, young Quentin Tarantino, young Martin Scorsese in this bitch. Kade ngikhomisa ngisho isigrezo bese lempahla, dog. Ayazanqaya bana thoma nazinavunula kahle. Fethu wona nje fethu. Hey, dog.
Everything, but it's like it was set up. Shout out
to Ukwazi, shout out to the video vixens, shout out to Iku, shout out to Old Bay,
shout out to Uzama, shout out to Nompundo,
Shout out to let's go and sing the school. This was smart. Yo, shout out to hey dog, I feel like Shangana, bro. Shout out to Nkatha's on hey dog,
and along the way, so shoot a video, dog. Yeah? Remember what I bought a repost and in our mind, let's come on the plan. Let's approach you repost the bets about dog. Then we see that hey, kwashangana kodwa ke sisaphezulu kwayo leyo nto bafethu ke somtshela when things are done and when things are ready. Somtshela ukuthi ithini
hlangana ntoka hlanganisa master plan ntoka lo basemlazi bayahluka reporting live ngakini city to city titty to titty.
Yes,
shout out to Feso. Hey, shout out to ukwazi dog. Now I just met the nigga.
Yes,
this week. Shout
out to ukwazi, shout out to my people, shout out to Amachita, Prime Time, Romain, Fetu. Dog, Lamachita ngisibane nawo kakhulu Fetu and angisizile kakhulu bafethu. And bafethu kahle omunye umuntu ongisizile bafethu uyena ke uDJ Gukwa bafethu yabo. And Mike nginayo Fetu DJ Gukwa Fetu. My niggas yena yabo actually he's my brother, like my older brother yabo. Yes, big dog. Shout out to him. But shout out to Terminator Music. Shout out to Sakile Bengu. Yena wayengiklasa naye nge-equipment bethu kudala bethu esahlala la edladleni yabo. Shout out to him, uyazi ke naye ke bethu Absolute Music dog.
Mlazi
dog.
Mlazi Incorporated, sponsored by all of.
Exactly, dog.
Let's talk about this project, dog. Diamonds in the Dirt. It's like, did you produce all the records?
Yeah, dog. I did all the records. I'm a beat and I production and mastering.
So like, actually, who did you work with on the song on the songs, dog? Like, cause we see every single it's like the other day. So Siazu recording I think that I was featured on with Roman, dog. Shit. Man, no fuck, man. I
got my niggas stiff all the way from PMB, dog. But the niggas tight, dog. It's gonna tracking and fishery shaggy on a pay to magic. Where I got Inati, AON. Nah, you stiff like dog. To shout out to AON, to shout out to Inati, shout out to MC Ellie, shout out to Big Boy Killer, shout out to MC Cranky, shout out to Tando Numbali, shout out to
Tando Numbali,
shout out to Petu this nigga from Phoenix, dog. Yo.
How many like tracks are in this project, dog?
Okay, la it's my track I 22, dog. And qala ngenye intro with Diamonds in the Dirt. And on the last track I got like a track now I'm going crazy about. So ukwazi came with this plan with share like a soul track that's gonna be an outro we mixtape here. So but the project is done. The project is almost done. Just selling the track here or like the project.
Shout out to Romain, dog.
That track is fire, bro.
I was like, oh fuck, man. I think it's called a service. Hey, we're putting pizza to cafe. Damn, dog.
Kune track enokwanele kune track enomabhina ezophuma I think
fawufaka bese usiza double XL lapha ngeke ayikho usiza le project le
bethi nika bethi kade
boss
ukhuluma nalo bethi lifuna ama beats kanjalo dog yabo.
Awesome.
So nje bethi any track bethi that I dropped bethi track that's called Too Much. I featured we are heady Free Dizzy, Village Kid, no Double L. For shout out to them, dog. Shout out to them, but say that track night dog. ikhona bethu ku Slicker online bethu ikhona ku data file host yabo bethu and next month izophuma ku YouTube dog yabo
bethu into engihlezi ngitshela lo dog is asibaqine with the visuals bro.
Yeah
asibaqine dog asibaqine bro. Every single time when we drop a single or a video or whatever, nigga, roll that motherfucker. As I was saying, whenever I try to release, dog, if I'm involved in a project, dog, I try with now put in a hand of what's like say. We need to make sure this shit has visuals. Even like I'm up behind the scenes, dog. Bro. That's how the people get to know you, dog. That's how the people get to fuck with you. Like how these motherfucking niggas, dog, they're family, they're together, which is what I want the fucking most, dog. But at the same time, we gotta make sure what's our product in such a way it competes and dog, especially dog. Because the kids right now, dog, they're on YouTube, brother, on Instagram, dog. Man, if your visuals ain't on my visuals, dog, you ain't shit, man. You ain't fuck on, man. Fuck on, what you keep it? So what, nigga? So that what they show, face. Too much, dog. Too much, face. Too motherfucking super important, dog. Too fucking important, face. I always stress that shit all over, face. Like, damn, dog. Brother Jim Laz in face saying it first back cleaner, bro. Too much, because like not the entire, but like 75% what entertainment industry, dog, in South Africa is Durban, bro. Exactly. From Inspire to radio to Ama series and to dog to Ama artists to two of the biggest artists in South Africa right now is Durban, dog. Play Coffee, Nasty C. Dog. That's like the entire game, it's completely the entire game, dog. So the least we can do is use all of this motherfucking hype as you corner that's looking on Durban, especially right now, dog. We quarantine. Shout out to Uzawa with the kids that then lockdown Cypher initiative, dog. It was dope.
Shout out to MC Crank, shout out to Target. They pulled up for record that KZN lockdown Cypher versus Betting to win. Shout out to them, dog. I hope Uzawa that's who I fagala on my feet. And if it's boy killer tonight. I told him about KZN lockdown cypher. I dropped something now, and we're gonna do the video and see what it's big up.
Dog, shout out to Besu Uzaga. That's a dope initiative, bro. All over Bam Instagram yake university quality na manje dog, which is fucking dope, dog.
Yeah.
First back clean if it's bit. Yeah, dog. First back clean if it's about to dog. Now more than ever, I'm first, hey, dog. First back cleaning umbrella, dog. Reporting live Ngakini chain, face. Shout out to your boy. See the dog. I'm shout out to CeeLo, deeply rooted. Shout out to Bonko Meshenti. Face. So diamonds in the dirt, dog. I'm this project. When you thinking of dropping this shit? Cause now I'm saying excited, man. Fuck give you on. Cause I remember Kasaz would say, oh, I think we would say we keep it like end of July or August, dog, but just soon.
But yeah, I think it's gonna be like August, cause if you look drop my singles,
more singles, yeah, okay.
I'm gonna drop like more singles, and as like I'm a paper working on it, so it's like Terminator music, cause like I say like the projects like we keep it like under his label.
In terms of like distribution and none.
Exactly.
But that's fucking beautiful, dog. That's hustling motherfuckers, dog. I just said studio sack and just a couple days ago saw the fucking awards and shit. That's so it's a sign from the ancestors, nigga. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, shit, dog.
So like I'm planning to drop it like on August. You're not deadline, August.
Yeah. So
okunye nje amajita asazowezwa nje ama-single nje silokhu siwaphushile nje
kodwa nje yabo nje le ngoma nje nami no Roman hayi boy mhlawumbe yona isingle ezophuma no like uma sephuma iproject kuphume lo single yabo nje kodwa nje dog hayi bra when you play this shit for me dog ayi vesingancanga mfana khona nje singuma I don't know the names of this shit kodwa nje bezinswebhu dog mfethu zinswebhu dog manje so let the people know ukuthi where can they find you first so on like socials dog
okay
that's exciting
on Facebook ifethu Msizi Primetime Bing on Instagram it's at Eclipse Naz on Twitter it's Msizi Eclipse yeah so nje bafethu ningifollow ishe on Instagram
tell them how to spell that shit cause I've got the
Eclipse
yeah Eclipse Beats that's Eclipse Beats
yes dog so Petsu you can like my page on Facebook it's Eclipse Beats invite na Facebook Petsu nizobona ne stuff sami and you can follow me on Instagram at Eclipse Beats Naz bafethu
shout out to Eclipse Beats first one of the dopest producers Mlazi dog oh my fucking god first
thanks dog
one of the dopest fucking producers Mlazi dog fuck man I want you to make a setup bro inswebhu dog but first it's just the tip of the iceberg man can you find kwa Afro beats fucking dog face I want you to go and say no Roman I got no Afro beats no me Afro trap Afro soul trap beats sex god got you twelve dog first 12 dog follow your boy Eclipse Beats kusazonyiwe dog sabasa invest basazonya dog bazoyizukhuta
fire dog it's fire it's got 21 tracks bafethu uspaniyo bafethu yabo phethe abachita bethu phethe maniga umJ besikwethi track dope bethu it tell me your name bethu yo
dog they gonna love this shit
dropping the hook in the first verse and my nigga iyabuya mi second verse bafethu leyo pass
coming tini
dope
shelling tini quarantine
bona le numa ladies our ladies
it's ever dog it's reporting live Ngakini support J holding it down city to city titty to titty shout out to Deep Blue shout out to the CEO of it so Sazo's partner dog but shout out to all over that just dropped AK just dropped Lungelo Mans just dropped in fact so in fact Scripts just dropped a video with the Musicaholic in fact so shout out to Musicaholic dog in fact Umlaz is about to fuck shit up right now heavily dog the long motherfucking way shout out to AK Quarantine again so shout out to Fortune Films dog face all of about Spanner bruh reporting live Ngakini support Mche mucha
Yo, it's your boy Rob, and you're listening to RadioDR. Easy.
Umama wathi mangiwekeze inyanya zakithi zomfakazela wathi bhe umfana menyameze waqala wangithakaze washisa impepho lemsamo waqala wabiza bomepho wathi thatha impepho lemsamo leyo uthu ephatha ngendlela mangena intama ngibheki ngenyathelo bonke labafana babambisa ikhandlela mangena intama ngibheki ngenyathelo bonke labafana babambisa ikhandlela makusho mama ngizobekezela makusho mama ngizobekezela ngathi nogogo uyangiphelezela ngathi nogogo uyangiphelezela ukhetha ibantu uzongivikela bantu abadala bangivikele mina nezami ngiyosebenza ngelazi imhlophe ezisikhalele makusho mama ngizobekezela makusho mama ngizobekezela ngathi nogogo uyangiphelezela ngathi nogogo uyangiphelezela ukhetha ibantu uzongivikela bantu abadala bangivikele mina nezami ngiyosebenza ngelazi imhlophe ezisikhalele
umhlaba uyahlaba umama wathi qina la noma kunzima phambili uzofika la sulinye mpezi ungakhali mntanami konke kuzodlula nelife elimnyama bekezela ufaka umoya sami cela ukhohlwe sitha konke nabangani uNkulunkulu uyazi ukudaleleni namadlozi akithi ngiyasabhekile udlule emaweni enkingeni wasile udutshulwa ngebhamu emajele waphuma ngenxa kagogo wakho bukusaphila abantu abadala bazoze bakushiya pressa phanda phusha mfana wami ungadinga uzungiphoxe withemba lami ijabuli yeza lisodlula lolusizi fezeka amaphupho uyitholela usizi
makusho mama ngizobekezela ngathi nogogo uyangiphelezela ngathi nogogo uyangiphelezela ukhetha ibantu uzongivikela bantu abadala bangivikele mina nezami ngisebenze ngelazi imhlophe ezisikhalele makusho mama ngizobekezela makusho mama ngizobekezela ngathi nogogo uyangiphelezela ngathi nogogo uyangiphelezela ukhetha ibantu uzongivikela bantu abadala bangivikele mina nezami ngisebenze ngelazi imhlophe ezisikhalele
You are now tuned in to recording live again on RadioDR.co.za.